Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 9836793076, and our email ID is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes is Sourav Sir classes at gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical problem, any doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can join as a student to our institute, and you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like West Bengal joint. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the WBJEE in the uh, so now the question is telling us that if 1 plus x square plus x cube whole to the power 5 is equals to summation k equals to 0 to 15 a k x to the power k, then summation k from k equals to 0 to 7 minus 1 to the power k dot a to k is equals to what? There are four options here which are 2 to the power 5, 4 to the power 5, 0 and 4 to the power 4. So what can be done here? Okay, so let me adjust my screen. So I think now it's okay. Oh, okay. So what can be done here? So now let us substitute x equals to I and x equals to minus. I is what we know that is equals to root over minus 1, and minus I is equals to minus of root over minus 1. So why are we putting that? So then it will be easier to see. Okay, first let us put it in the given question. So if we put this thing, then we will get 1 plus I square plus I cube whole to the power 5 is equals to k equals to 0 up to 15 a to the power k I to the power. Okay, and if we put minus I, then we will get 1 minus I plus minus I whole square plus this thing whole to the power 5 is equals to 0 to up to 15, and we will get 1 into this. Okay, so now we are going to simplify the first thing. Okay, so this is what we know, that our I square is equals to minus 1, and so our I cube will be minus I. So just put it here. So then we will get 1 plus I minus 1 minus y. So the total thing will be 0. So fine. So just we are getting 0 to the power 5 is equals to this. Okay. So now for minus y, what will happen? This thing is our minus 1, and this thing will be minus of minus I. So finally we are getting I here plus this is 1 minus I. So everything will be cancelled out. So again we will get 0 here. So that's why I took I or minus I in the solution of this. Okay. So finally we are getting what? Let me change my font colors. Yeah. So now that these two things imply that summation k equals to 0 up to 15 a k I to the power k plus summation k equals to 0 up to 15 a k minus I whole to the power k is equals to 0 plus 0, which is equals to 0. So now we can, as this ak and all are same, so we can write summation k equals to 0 up to 15 a to the power k into I to the power k plus this thing equals to 0. So now we are going to simplify the left hand side. So for even terms, if our k is equals to some 2a, where our a belongs to z, rather we can write our a belongs to n, then what will happen? Then this thing will be 2y to the power k. And if our k is equals to 2a plus 1, where our a belongs to n, that means our k is odd, then this thing will be 0. Okay. So now thus only even k contribute to the sum. So we are getting what? So finally we are getting k equals to 0 up to 7 a 2k into I to the power 2k plus minus I to the power 2k equals to 0. And our I to the power 2k is what? That will be minus 1 to the power k. And minus I to the power 2k, that will also be minus I to the power k equals to 0. Sorry, minus I to the power k. So minus 1 to the power k. So finally we are getting this thing 7, sorry, 7 a to the power 2k into 2 into this thing is equals to 0. So we can remove the 2. So finally we are getting this thing. Okay. So our answer will be 0. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries or doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can join as a student to our institute and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.